Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that holds immense importance in the manufacturing industry. Why should you use LMS for manufacturing industry training? Manufacturing is a dynamic industry, and staying ahead requires a skilled and well-trained workforce. That's where learning management system software comes into play. Today, we'll explore the key features that make LMS software a game-changer for training in the manufacturing sector. Extended Enterprise. LMS software enables organizations to extend training beyond internal employees to external partners, suppliers, and distributors. This ensures a unified and knowledgeable ecosystem, fostering collaboration and efficiency throughout the entire value chain. Performance Management. LMS software allows for the measurement and tracking of employee performance. It helps identify areas for improvement, ensures consistency in training outcomes, and ultimately boosts overall workforce productivity. Advanced Reporting. LMS platforms provide detailed insights into training progress, completion rates, and assessment scores. This data is valuable for decision-makers, allowing them to fine-tune training programs and ensure they align with organizational goals. White Label LMS. White Label LMS is a standout feature. This allows organizations to customize the LMS platform with their branding, creating a seamless and professional training experience for employees and external partners alike. Content Management. Effective training requires quality content. LMS software provides a centralized hub for organizing, updating, and delivering training materials. This ensures that employees have access to the latest and most relevant information. Certification and Compliance Management. In the manufacturing industry, adhering to certifications and compliance standards is non-negotiable. LMS software streamlines certification and compliance management, ensuring that employees receive the necessary training to meet industry regulations and standards. LMS software is a powerhouse for the manufacturing industry, offering a comprehensive solution for training and development. These features collectively contribute to a more skilled, efficient, and compliant workforce. If you're ready to revolutionize your manufacturing industry training, consider booking a demo of our manufacturing industry LMS. Click the link in the description to schedule your personalized demo today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.